Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the 70 Dodge Hemi Challenger. So I do love Hemis a lot. When I started collecting back in 2015 or 16, I did buy a couple of Hemi if I'm not wrong. I might have showed that during that collection tour. So I do love Hemis a lot. And okay, so this is by Hotwheels and I bought this for MRP which is 179. Again, don't buy this from scalpers. Don't be that desperate. You will get it for sure at some point in time, but save that money or buy a better brand for that price. So let's unbox this one and see how this one actually looks. It feels little bit heavy, so I'm really excited to unbox this one. Okay, so here it is. So out of the box, the casting looks absolutely gorgeous. The paint job is really beautiful. So I personally love the purple color. So there is actually a story behind the purple color being a luxurious, I mean the rare color or luxurious color, because back in the days, the purple color, the dye which they are extracting, I think it was extracted from some kind of sea urchin or something. You can only find that in deep seas. So it was really hard to get that one and extract the dye out of them. So it was considered as a like rich people's color or luxury color. So that's the reason back in the days it was really hard to get this color. Even nowadays it is not easy to get this color, even though nowadays we have a lot of different paint schemes. I mean different variations of paints, paint schemes and how they painted. A lot of things are there, but still, if you are getting something from factory, even the cars in India or even other countries, maybe one or two brands are doing that, like Lamborghini or those kind of like supercar and hypercar manufacturers. But when it comes to a common man's cars, 99% of the brands doesn't do this color. In India, in Tata they are doing, in Tata Nexon they are doing that, EV version they are doing that. So that color looked absolutely beautiful. Okay, so let's talk about this casting. So okay, it has headlight details. It is embossed, but it is not painted on. But I'm happy on one point, but it is at least embossed, because if you want, if you are a customizer, you can go ahead and you can just paint something there and it would look really good. Okay, it is actually heavy, so you can see the interior here, that actually looks really good. I think it is something true to this particular casting. You can see the speedometer and everything there in the old way. That looks really awesome. And so it doesn't have any tail light details either, but it is embossed here. That is really good. So overall, the casting looks absolutely beautiful. Okay, so the body is fully metal and the chassis is plastic. The chassis has some level of detailing to it, which is good. And it has exhaust details here. That is also really nice. And the hood here, the air intake here, this piece is plastic. This is actually attached along with the interior here, just like the carved gasser. So the pinstriping and everything looks so beautiful. I mean, these cars looks really really majestic and it looks really beautiful. So I really wish they actually bring back these kind of designs nowadays, but they are not going to do that. But at least we can just hope. Okay, let's weigh this casting. I'm hoping this would be around at least 38 grams. Let's see. $37. I'm really close. Okay, so let's do a roll test now. Wow, that rolls really well. I'm really happy that after a long time, the casting which I really loved, it rolls really well as well. It does have some wheel wobble on the rear wheel, but it is negligible considering that it rolls really well. It is fast as well. It is not just crossing the track. The time is really good. But please don't ask me to keep a timer as well. Yeah, that rolls really well. Yeah, I don't want to extend the time frame of my videos. It is already lengthy nowadays compared to how I started it. So yeah, it has door handles as well. That is really nice. I mean, it is a gorgeous casting. I mean, if you get a chance to buy this one, please don't miss this out. But don't buy it for more than MRP as well. If you are getting this in MRP, please don't hesitate to buy this. Go ahead and get it. So with that said, that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.